All right. Good morning, everybody. It might be afternoon for you or evening, whichever one it is. So today I'm going to be withdrawing my money from TikTok. So let's get started. First, you need to go to your profile and click on the three lines on the right side of your screen. Then you click on settings and privacy. You go to balance. Okay, this is what I have in my account for now. So we're gonna withdraw. $503.53. How much do I want to withdraw? Okay. The way TikTok is going now, it's just better to withdraw everything, sir. I'm kidding. But let's see how much we can withdraw. Okay. It's loading. My Pioneer is already connected. I've got a PayPal, but let's go with Pioneer. So I'm gonna impute the amount. Let's say $50. $50 and then click on withdraw. So their service fee is zero. I'm going to be withdrawing $50 into my account. And okay. Did I confirm this? Nah, I'm not gonna confirm it yet. But just to show you how you can withdraw your money, this is how it is. If you want to know how you can connect your Pioneer account as a Nigerian to your TikTok, just let me know in the comments and I'll teach you how you can connect it. I've made other withdrawals before. Let me see. This is live rewards gives rewards, and then this is a live rewards withdrawal to my PayPal account. I withdrew $2 for testing. The money went there, and I withdrew to Pioneer. Also, the money went there. So I can withdraw anytime I want, but for now, I just want to keep my money in it. Okay, so I will see you guys later and bye. If you are a TikToker and you are in Nigeria or any other country and you want to withdraw your money, you don't know how to, why not? Come to me, let me withdraw your money for you. Easy peasy. Alright, bye.